Are you starting out with heels? I'm sharing tips and letting you know which are the ones you should get. When you're choosing the perfect pair of high heels, you should go for heels that are about 2 to 3 inches in height. Go for heels that are thicker because those are easier to walk in. And if they have a platform in the front, I would suggest you go for those. Not something that is super high, but usually the platform is going to give you more stability. If you go for heels that are above 4 inches, those are going to be quite a challenge and they don't have the same longevity. Your feet are gonna hurt and they're gonna get tired sooner than if you wear heels that have a smaller heel in the back. Consider wedges. Wedges are perfect. I have a pair right here, which I also reviewed. These are very easy to walk in, and if you master wedges, you will master any type of high heel because they are very easy to walk in. And just because they're wedges doesn't mean that they're more comfortable, especially if this part right here has a very pronounced arch. Your feet are going to hurt. But these, as you guys can see, I think it's compensated because it has the platform in the front. Some wedges don't have platforms in the front, so just make sure it looks something like this. They are life-changing. Now, there are high heels that are uncomfortable, and usually the ones that have this area right here a little bit wider, those are easier to walk in and they're going to allow for you to wear them for a longer period of time. A brand that I know that has them is Sam Edelman. Those heels are super comfortable. They are a little pricey, but trust me, they are worth the splurge. If you're starting out and you want to get stilettos, this is the perfect example of what not to wear. If you're gonna get something that looks like this, make sure it has straps, and I would suggest going down on the heel height because these are very uncomfortable. You see what I tell you about the arch? Well, these are wedges, but you see another heel that is super comfortable is this one. These are by Amina Muaddi. These are sandals. If you're a beginner, then you are going to love these. They don't have a platform in the front, but the arch here where the top of the heel is and the bottom just are very compensated. I've worn these quite a bit and they are very, very comfortable. Not to mention that I've taken them out to the mall and stuff and they just feel great. A lot of people are going to tell you if the heel is uncomfortable to get insoles. Well, I don't recommend that, my friend, just because I've seen those show and they look, I don't know, it just doesn't look good in my opinion. That's just me. So if you're gonna wear insoles on the heel, I would suggest getting something obviously with a smaller heel, but for the insole to be covered by the actual shoe. Do not wear insoles with sandals. No, that's a big red flag. And also, if you notice, some heels, they have a cushion. So obviously that's something you can feel when you get them. Those are the ones you should go for because they're not gonna make your feet hurt. Another example, if you're starting out with heels, something that you should know is that if the heel has the front and it's very narrow, I would suggest going for something that's a little bit wider, like this one right here, because that's going to just allow your foot not to be squished by the actual shoe. And after a while, it does get quite painful. Now, usually when you go to restaurants and you're wearing heels, you're gonna notice that the floor is a little bit slippery. So they do sell, I don't have them here, but they do sell something that you can put at the bottom of the heel in this part right here, but I also suggest you put it on the heel itself, and that's going to prevent slipping. I hope that these tips were helpful, that you learned something, and that if you're starting out with heels, you have an insight and a better understanding of what to choose. There are brands that offer very beautiful heels, and Sam Edelman is one of them. The shoes are wide, they are very, very comfortable. I have more shoe reviews here on my channel. I hope that you check those out. I will see you very soon. Take care, bye.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.